badge is a special, distinctive mark. It is a device worn as a sign of allegiance, membership, authority, and achievement. At National Emblem and Badge, we take pride in honoring distinguished members of our community with personalized attention. We have long-term business relationships with members of the military, law enforcement, and emergency personnel. By eliminating the middleman and dealing directly with the manufacturer, those that purchase their badges and accessories from National Badge and its sister division, CopShop, are ensured of the highest quality at the lowest possible cost, in the shortest amount of time. Why would anyone want to deal with the middleman when you can go direct? National Emblem and Badge is also connected to yet another division, the Waterbury Button Company, all under the umbrella of its parent company, OGS Technologies, a privately held company. Waterbury Button has been supplying the U.S. Armed Forces since the War of 1812. The Waterbury Button Company is rich in history with a past that few manufacturers can match. When Captain Smith and his crew met their fate in the North Atlantic with the sinking of the Titanic in 1912, they were wearing buttons manufactured by the Waterbury Button Company. When the Titanic sank, the company was already 100 years old. Today, having passed the 200-year mark, it is the oldest company in the United States still making its original products. Our reputation as a quality supplier of buttons and accessories for the military, career apparel, and fashion industries is unsurpassed. Vendors and designers such as Disneyland, Ralph Lauren, Liz Claiborne, the Masters Golf Tournament, and Brooks Brothers continue to specify Waterbury buttons for their garments. As a leading supplier of uniform buttons for the military and law enforcement personnel, adding National Emblem and Badge was a natural complement to the organization. Producing a badge is a simple process. For new designs, we offer graphic images to the customer. Working together, the designs will be massaged until the customer gives final approval to either make new tooling or alter existing tooling. The creation of a badge begins by using our personalized order forms to decide the specific shape, wordage, metal finish, attachment, and shape required. Custom orders requiring a new tool take about 6 weeks to manufacture and ship. Once we have tools in our inventory, the normal delivery time for new orders is approximately 4 weeks. The process starts with our sales and customer service teams that work with the customers every step of the process, giving them a direct link to the production of their badge. We then expedite the orders, keeping time, quality, and personal attention in mind. Our sales and customer service teams are there every step of the way. Once the stamping of the badge is completed, it is sent to the engraving department. Using a computerized custom engraver, the badge is personalized to the individual or department. Upon completion of the engraving process, the badge may be formed depending on the preference of the individual or department. While some departments prefer flat badges, many departments or individuals prefer that the badges worn on their uniform be slightly curved to fit snugly on the officer's uniform. If so, the badge or badges will be dapped. Care is taken to make sure all badges are dapped identically. Flat badges, in addition to being used on uniforms, are usually the preference for law enforcement personnel that have the badge mounted on a belt clip or wallet ID. Following the engraving and/or forming processes, the attachments to the badge are applied to the customer's specifications. This may include choices of a pin and catch, screwback, or wallet clip, depending on whether they'd like to fit the badge onto a uniform, onto a hat, or onto a wallet. Unless specified otherwise, National Badge fusion welds the attachments in place. Once the attachment has been welded, it is followed by soldering each attachment to double ensure that the attachments will last a lifetime. All attachments carry a lifetime warranty. Should one fail through normal use, it will be repaired free of charge. We understand that carrying a badge is an important symbol of authority, so in the event an attachment is not working as intended, we will fix and return within a 48-hour time frame. With the completion of securing the attachments, the badge is sent to the metal finishing department to obtain the finish the customer requested. All badges are polished to a high sheen. Those that require a plated finish are racked and processed through several chemical processes before plating to the customer's specifications. After a badge has been plated and passed inspection, it is sent to the enameling department, where the engraving will be filled with a durable epoxy enamel, followed by a bake curing process. We also offer alternative processes such as cloisonné or hard enamel as options. Each have pros and cons that our customer service personnel can discuss if you are interested. However, most departments use colored epoxy. Badges can also have a clear, baked epoxy cover on their surface as an added protection against scratches caused by misuse or by seatbelt abrasions. Once the badge has been plated, enameled, and/or lacquered, it is ready for the final step of the process, the mounting of the department or state seal. Once attached, the badge goes through a final inspection to make sure that every badge produced by National Badge exceeds the customer's expectations. After a bit of shining, the badge is finally completed and ready to be shipped and delivered to your door. Our distinguished badge quality is set to last you a lifetime of happiness. Handmade in the USA.